Brutalist architecture is often misunderstood, seen as cold, rigid, or overly stark. But in reality, it holds a raw, sculptural beauty that embraces authenticity and function. This home is a modern interpretation of brutalism, blending solid concrete forms with open spaces that breathe life into its design. Every element is intentional, creating a seamless flow between the interior and exterior while celebrating light, texture, and materiality. The foundation of this home is its unapologetic use of concrete. From the walls to the ceilings, the material is left exposed, revealing the rich imperfections that tell a story of craftsmanship. But this is not just about heavy, monolithic structures. The interplay of shadow and light softens the rough textures, giving the space an organic, almost poetic quality. The result is a living sculpture where rawness becomes refinement. Brutalist homes often challenge conventional layouts, prioritizing openness over compartmentalization. This house embraces a seamless, flowing design where walls dissolve into vast, interconnected spaces. The absence of rigid boundaries allows the home to adapt, inviting movement and interaction. Air circulates freely, natural light stretches across every surface, and each space feels expansive, never confined. The result is a sanctuary that balances mass with openness. Though brutalism is often associated with urban environments, this home proves that its raw beauty thrives in nature. Floor-to-ceiling openings erase the distinction between inside and outside, allowing the surrounding landscape to become an extension of the home. Concrete meets lush greenery, and the rigid structure finds harmony with the organic world. The architecture respects and amplifies nature rather than standing apart from it. While concrete dominates the structure, it is softened by the warmth of complementary materials. Dark timber panels, smooth glass facades, and textured stone elements add depth and contrast. The interior is curated with minimalist furnishings, neutral tones, rich textiles, and raw materials to enhance the architectural language. Every texture is a conversation, each surface a canvas that reflects both history and innovation. Brutalist architecture often manipulates light in unexpected ways. Here, natural light becomes a sculptural element, carving out patterns across walls and floors. Skylights and expansive openings invite shifting shadows that transform throughout the day, creating an ever-evolving interior. At night, strategically placed lighting highlights the rugged elegance of the space, emphasizing the contrast between solidity and illumination. Every aspect of this home is designed with intent. There is no excess, no unnecessary ornamentation. Storage is seamlessly integrated into the walls. Furniture is carefully selected for both form and function, and the overall aesthetic remains uncluttered. This commitment to minimalism does not sacrifice comfort. Instead, it enhances livability. The result is a space that feels effortless, where beauty emerges from simplicity. A central courtyard acts as the heart of the home, offering a secluded retreat within the raw concrete frame. This hidden oasis introduces soft landscaping, natural stone pathways, and reflective water features that contrast with the bold architecture. It is a place of stillness, where nature and design merge to create a meditative escape. Here, brutalism is not just about form, but also about experience. Despite its imposing presence, this home evokes a deep emotional response. The play of scale, the honesty of materials, and the seamless openness invite introspection. There is a paradoxical warmth to its vastness, a sense of grounding within the monumental. It is not just a shelter but a statement, an art form, a reflection of resilience and beauty found in rawness. This home proves that brutalist architecture is not just about concrete and mass, but about movement, light, and connection. By embracing open spaces and seamless transitions, it transforms into a modern sanctuary, bold yet inviting, structured yet fluid. It is a reminder that architecture, at its core, is an experience, one that shapes the way we live, feel, and interact with the world around us.